Hi, I am Debbie from smartnets.cloud, an affiliate company of Solimedia Technology. We provide services to secure, enhance, and empower your network. Our solutions are primarily built around MikroTik routers. They are typically deployed in the edge network, access network, and customer premise. Today we are here to introduce Smart Control Service. This is a subscription service to manage your MikroTik routers in the access network or in customer premises. Let's dive in. Internet service providers, managed service providers, as well as system integrator are facing exponentially increased complex network implementation. This creates challenges for providing quality support service and requires highly skilled and experienced support staff. At the same time, competitive pressure on prices and lower margins makes it more difficult to employ highly paid veteran technicians. In the process, support service levels and network stability suffers. Added to that, there are never proactive response to network issues. To remedy the aforementioned problems, smartnets.cloud aims to deliver 3 separate but equally important modules in our total empowered network solutions. The topic of today's presentation is control. This is the most important module in enabling proactive yet simple to navigate and cost-competitive support services tool. Here we would like to introduce the control module. This is the main component of delivering a proactive yet simple management tool. Once a router is registered on smartnets.cloud, it becomes visually available on your dedicated portal to your technical staff. This screen is the main page for each of the managed router. Here on the Info tab, you can see the router model, operating system version, temperature, uptime, and connection status. Next tab is Availability, which provides you with graphical detail of resources being used. These include CPU, RAM, etc. On the Interfaces tab, you can see all interfaces with their status, graphical view of traffic running through them, and by drilling down on each interface, further details of what is happening on each interface. The Performance tab shows latency, traffic, and devices connected. The last tab shows DHCP leases on each interface, an important feature for performance monitoring if your network is providing service to the general public. This includes university campuses, RV parks, hospice and hospitals, etc. Upon drilling down on each interface, we see both actual and visual information on each interface. Don't forget, this is historical data as well as current status, a very important feature to detect recent past anomalies. Smart Control enables you to be aware of perfect performance of your fleet of MikroTik routers. Smart Control gives you the absolute capability to deliver preventative and proactive service for a large fleet of routers and switches. If you are managing multiple public network like large RV parks, hotels, or hospices, you need instant critical information to isolate issues and resume a quality service. Notification and escalation is a key element in proactive management. We have various methods of alerting you to the issues which can arise once in a while. Identification and isolation of the problem is halfway towards progress in resolving it. In any critical event or crisis, the speed with which an issue is resolved is everything. Smart Control provides a comprehensive and helicopter view of the state of a MikroTik machine at any given time. This enables you to quickly and effectively pinpoint the problem and eliminate it before it finds its feet and does major damage to productivity. When a fault is located, then it is time to eliminate it. The options are jump into the car and drive to the router. This should be the last resort when a device is dead. The best alternative is to remotely get to the router through interactive terminal. This will not be possible unless you have fast and secure connection to your fleet of MikroTik routers. Smart Control provides the tool to easily connect to any one of your fleet of routers. Connection is just a click away and resolution of the issue is just a few moments away. If interactive terminal is not your preferred method of connection to MikroTik routers, Smart Control provides the option of connecting to the router through webfig page. The same familiar page created by MikroTik is then available for you to make your changes. In case of ISPs, Smart Control has a template feature. You can create a template of a certain way you configure your routers for the customers and push that configuration into any number of routers, with each router then having its own unique user ID password as well as router name. When you have just a few routers installed in a small geographical boundary, then it is simple to manage them. But when you have large number of MikroTik routers spread all over the place, then providing good service will become either too expensive or impossible. Smart Control gives you the power to manage huge fleet of MikroTik routers with limited resources, small cost, and little manpower. Here we have another nice feature of Smart Control. If you are managing routers on behalf of an organization and their staff also have access to the router, the changes they make are highlighted in configuration differences. This will allow you to decide if these changes are acceptable or they will cause problems in the long run. The backup feature of Smart Control will only back up the router if changes have been made to it. You can also execute a forced backup through the Smart Control anytime you wish. Smart Control also provides detailed log of all activity performed through the portal. If you have multiple personnel connecting to Smart Control, you can easily take note of changes made by each individual. This makes sure that multiple access to the same router does not result in duplication of routines in a device, or if an issue arises, the right person takes ownership of the problem. After getting to know and understand Smart Control, it is no longer an option to deliver shabby and half-cooked service to your customers. You are better than this, because you have the tools to deliver awesome service. We have reached the end of our presentation here. Please do not forget that you qualify to get free SmartNets for 3 routers for the duration of 3 months. Contact sales at smartnets.cloud to activate this free offer. Try our solution for free, run it through its course, and let us know if you find it useful for your fleet of routers. Thank you for viewing this presentation.